Did we see that already? So we're looking at the kitchen here. Check out the guns, guys. Some challenges that we have with the foundation that would need to get repaired. It is now completely done. Okay guys, so here we are at this particular property. This property is here in Long Pond, Pennsylvania. You guys can take a look here. We're about to walk in this one. We have this one on the contract. This is my first time seeing it. I want you guys to come and join me. This is a ranch style, so we're gonna need to put some gutters. Did we see that already? This foundation has some issues here. It's caved in. Let's see what Andy's cooking back here. Oh, he's burning wood back here. Okay, a little rough. Okay, Jules, so we're looking at the kitchen here. We need to redo the kitchen, yep. Open floor concept. Laundry area, we need to put no flooring. No wall, yep. Open this one up for me here.
Yeah, that's the bathroom.
Yep, bathroom.
My lecture going in today over there.
Check out the guns, guys. Yeah, we'll keep the ceiling. Bedroom 2. Oh, we got more guns here. So the deck, guys, look at the deck. Yikes, we gotta redo all of this. T111, all of it's gotta get redone. What's up, puppy? He's a sweet dog. Look at him, look at him, look at him. He's a sweetie, look at him. What's up, puppy? So we have to do all of this. Neighbors, great land next door. They're gonna be happy that people like us are buying it and reviving this and making this nice again. So guys, I haven't been to this property. I'm now showing you the process on how this flip is coming along, all right guys? Okay, so here we go, here we are. So we removed the deck, we changed the entrance to the door. ¿Cómo estamos? As you see, new window, we're putting siding here. We cut the deck. Let's go around the back. See how we got rid of some trees. All right, it's cleaned out. If you guys remember how dirty this was. We got some windows. Windows are coming. What do we have here? This is a septic. I don't know what the heck that is. We have this large garage here. We're 2 weeks into it, and these guys are doing a great job. The siding is almost completely up. Let me show you guys around what's going on here. Some challenges that we have with the foundation that would need to get repaired. Okay guys, so if you guys remember this house, it's dirty. It was wraparound porch, but if you see over here, the foundation's got some cracks, but they're not big cracks, they just need to be skimmed. And it's moving quite well. Siding here, coming along. You guys remember this was full of garbage, it's not cleaned up. Check out the back. Siding's in. So here's how the inside is looking. Remember this was open, we turned it into a 3-bedroom. Kitchen. This place looks really good. It's coming along really great. Siding's coming along. Appliances are in. Here's why I bought this property, guys. Nice house next door. Across the street, nice house next door to it. And nice house over here. Yet ugly duckling, right? When buying real estate, it is important that this is what we look for. It's important that you find the ugly duckling in the good neighborhood, right? And that's what we did. This one's ugly. We bought this for $71K. I don't know what we're gonna wind up in. I'm still bidding it. Still waiting for bids to come in, but I'm thinking around 35, 40. We're gonna put siding there. We're gonna turn it into a 3-1, it's a 2-1. And I'm gonna show you what the inside looks like right now. Okay guys, so here we are at the final round, the final walkthrough of Doe Drive. Here you've seen the whole transition, and now I'm going to show you the final product. Join me, check it out, and see what we've done here now. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. We take you around this side so you can see foundation that we repaired. Remember, this was all jacked up, this was all opened up. There is a garage in the back which is cleaned out. I'm going to show that to you in just a moment. Here's the rear. We put a riser here for the septic tank. Rear, we have 3 new windows in the back, and we put that door. Ladies and gentlemen, check out the garage. Look at this huge 2-car garage. Actually, yeah, you can fit 2 cars in here. Look at this. This is humongous. We have some leftover siding. We have to return that. And as I keep going here, here's the deck. It used to be a wraparound deck. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Look at this, completely done. This deck is completely new. It no longer wraps around completely. It stops right there. It used to go further. I think it used to go almost to the end of the house. Okay guys, look at this place. This place looks absolutely stunning. And check out this view from here. Look at how beautiful this looks here. Imagine staying here. This is an Airbnb-able. All the appliances are brand new. The one with some butcher block countertops. Let's go into the bedrooms now. Here is we just put that. Of course, they're tidying that up. That is a new window. We're gonna go into the bedroom. This is bedroom 1. This bedroom 2. And we're gonna go into bedroom 3. And this is what one of our finished product look like. Okay guys, here is the bathroom, completely redone. Everything is new in here. There is the baño. Okay guys, so this is what one of our final products look like. I hope you enjoyed this journey. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending some time with us and watching us go through this journey. If you like this video and you like content like this, please give us a thumbs up, like it, share it, and subscribe. Peace out. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, click on this video up here. It might be something you might like. And guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace out.